Hello friends, let's make quick rice khichadi. So for that I am taking moong dal and rice. 1 cup of rice, half cup of moong dal. Or 1 part of rice, take half part of moong dal. Wash it, mix it together and wash for 2 times. Boil 4 cups of water. This is my washed moong dal and rice together. Keep it aside. Now my water is boiling here. My dal and rice is washed. And here's my spice box ready. My rice and dal is washed. And here's my water boiling over here. Now in the tempering, I'll be adding some curry leaves, 1 green chili and half-inch ginger piece or 1 teaspoonful of crushed ginger, 1 small piece of jaggery, and you can add any vegetable. I am adding here chopped carrot and green peas. So let's start making tempering. Add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. You can also add oil if you want for tempering. I have added some oil with clarified butter so that it won't burn. Total 1 tablespoon is enough. One teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon hing asafoetida, and 1 full teaspoon of turmeric. Quickly add 1 heaped teaspoon of crushed ginger, big pieces of green chili, curry leaves, and stir. Add washed dal and rice. Stir well. Stir for 1 minute. Now add 1 full teaspoon of salt or salt according to your taste. Also add 1 full teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Quarter teaspoon of red chili or paprika, just for color. Now add your 1 cup of vegetable chopped. Any vegetables you can add. Today I am adding carrot and green peas. Stir well. Mix well. Mix well. Now add 4 cups of boiling hot water. add piece of jaggery and on high flame cook for 10 minutes. Then we'll reduce the flame and we will cook covered later. If you are cooking in a pressure cooker, cook for 2 whistles first, reduce the flame and cook 3 to 5 more minutes and switch off the flame and let it stand for 10 minutes. So here I am cooking on high flame, high maximum, and it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, from now I will cook 10 more minutes on high flame. After 10 minutes of boiling, I'll cover and cook this khichadi for 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame or till it is cooked soft. My family likes it soft, so I will be cooking 15 minutes completely with this lid. Now let's check after 15 minutes whether our khichadi is cooked or not. Oh wow! It is cooked. It looks great. Let it stand for 10 more minutes and we can serve. Switch off the stove at this point. Let's fry papadam. So this is a raw papad. Fry it quickly. On a stove top. Let's serve it. Wow! Serve this with papadam and pickle and some clarified butter on top of it. Clarified butter, some cilantro, and enjoy. Quick rice and dal khichadi. It's moong dal and rice. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.